I'm here with Will Buller, co-owner and physical therapist at Rosewood Clinic, and we're here to talk about physical therapy as a profession and what it entails and how to get where he is today. When did you decide to become a physical therapist?
Well, I was in high school, and one of my real good friends from high school's father was a physical therapist, and we would all, he could make a living by basically getting rid of people's pain, making them more independent and more functional, and to me it was fun because there was a lot of laughter, throughout the duration of treatment whenever he was working with these patients.
So where did you go to school at, and what was school like?
Well, I did 3 years in the Louisiana State University system here, and then I got into an entry-level master's degree program at the University of Texas Medical Branch in El Paso. What I did was I molded my kinesiology undergraduate degree, or at least for the core classes, toward basically all of the prerequisites.
What was your process like getting into school?
It's a hard road. The main thing that I just stuck with, and my motto in physical therapy school: study hard, be disciplined, and don't leave any leaf unturned in terms of trying to obtain any varied experiences in a physical therapy profession. It's not easy. You don't just wake up one day and say, I want to be a physical therapist and go get a degree. It's a process. And
Since the application process is so hard, your advice for undergraduates is just to study hard and make sure that they take care of business.
Well, it's very, very difficult. You have to have excellent grades. You have to have a multifaceted work experience or volunteer experience in the physical therapy profession, which is what the physical therapy schools like to see and what we're about.
So a degree in kinesiology is a great start.
Yeah, oh, absolutely. As we were kind of talking a little earlier, kinesiology is the study of human movement, and that is what I do every day. So the kinesiology degree basically gets you a foundation for the basics and the principles of the human body, and your physiologies. You need to know how things operate and function. Yeah.
How many schools did you apply to?
I applied to 3 schools, and I got into one of them. I was on the alternate list at 2 of the 3.
The hardest part of physical therapy school was what for you?
Well, living in El Paso and moving from Louisiana, education is all about discipline. And if once you've got and made it into physical therapy school, once you're there, the discipline is already instilled.
So the undergraduate studies are pretty much a direct correlation of what you'll be like in graduate school?
It's a very good tool for you to get to that next step.
Alright, well thank you, Will, for taking time out your busy day to
Absolutely.
give us an interview.
Not a problem. Glad to help. I wish you the best of luck.